This Kinky Curly Crochet Human Hair by Elfin Hair is definitely a must-have in this 2026 because baby girl, this is so slay. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Mama Dyna Ekwueme, in the building, and in today's one we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this special hair from Elfin Hair. You guys know that I've worked severally with Elfin Hair and they come correct all the time. This particular hair came with a tail comb, a hair bonnet, several things, several goodies as you can see on your screen. The crochet pin, of course, wig caps, hair instructions, what have you. It's all in this package. Anyway, down to the business of the day. Of course, in today's hair review, I will be working with a stylist that will help just show you guys different styles. Not that you can't do this yourself. You can absolutely do this yourself. It's easy to crochet this into your hair. For those of you who are DIY girlies, this is an absolute dream. Can you see this beautiful kinky curly human hair that was sent to me by Elfin Hair? This is one of a kind. As you can see, it came with 2 different rings, and for each set of rings there are 5 different bundles of hairs. As you can see, it is very lush. It is exactly as you see on the screen. Very easy to remove if you want to pull it out from the rings. I mean the knotless braids that you'll be crocheting into your hair. It is very easy to remove from the rings and install into your hair. There is no difficulty with just taking these out. As you can see, the hairstylist is just doing her thing. Anyway, as we progress, you would see how full this hair eventually came to look. I absolutely love this hair. It's just very lightweight, very seamless, and of course, very easy to install. Can you see how you can easily make a loop with the crochet pin and just voila, crochet it into your woven hair? Easy peasy. And you can do different styles with this hair, whether you want to do all to the back or you want to do maybe all up styles. Whichever style you have in mind, as a black girl, as a mixed race girl, even as a white girl, if this interests you, you can get your hairstylist to try this on your hair as well. All you need to do, if you love what you see on the screen, is check out the description area below. You're going to see the links to this particular hair. Visit www.elfinhair.com to make your own personal purchase. You can get discount, 10% discount when you use the link in the description area below. Can you see this hair? Just look at this gorgeousness. Look at this hair. This is just one of the most beautiful hairs that Elfin Hair has sent to me in recent times. In this 2026, I don't even know what hairstyles you guys are rocking, but this is a must-have. Look at how it's sitting pretty on my hair. As you can see, you can style it however you choose to. I did different styles in this particular video, one with band, without band, 2 shuku as we call it here in Nigeria, all up. Look at this style. Gorgeous. Like, I'm just feeling myself. Any occasion this hair can go with it. Like, girl, you can be a baddie, you can be whatsoever with this hair. I would love to know what you think about this hair in the comment section below. If you love what you see, let me know. If you're going to purchase this hair as well, let me know. If you absolutely loved this particular video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. For now, take care.